Hi guys, what are we doing today? I don't know. Let's do a card from this deck. Alina just posted a video of um, one of her tangles, which I think is this one on the back of the deck. I think it's that one that I'm really interested in finding, but I don't want to go digging for it because I truly believe that when I do this randomly, that the card that we pick for the day is the card we're meant to have today. So we're going to shuffle a little bit. Come on, go in there. Shuffle a little bit. Good enough. And then take a random one, maybe that one. And then that's the one we're meant to have today. Let's see what we're going to do. We're going to do one called Zucki. Zucki. Very wispy, soft, seaweed-like pattern, which is really pretty. Look at that. So looks like the first thing we do is we're going to draw these a sort of a wispy line and then come down about 3/4 of the way down and do another wispy line connected and back and forth on two different sides, back and forth, back and forth. And then at the top part, we're going to do the little fronds, curving in whichever direction this ends up being, right? And then in here, I don't know if you guys can see it very well, but in there it shows us putting one in the middle with a little loop. I'm not sure I can get all that in there, but I'm going to give it a go. And should we do a bookmark for this one? Or should we do some kind of... I like how she's got it kind of flowing across the page. Maybe we'll do a little rectangle. What color shall we do today? Haven't done a purple one in a long time. Let's do a purple one. Oh, looks like my manicure is coming apart. That's okay. It's been on a couple of weeks. I need to do a new one anyways, but not until after tomorrow. Tomorrow we have work party at church. Is this one or two pages? It feels like two, but it's not coming apart. Okay, I guess it's just one fat one. All right. We have work party at church tomorrow, and I'm going to be gardening or something. And yeah, we don't want to put a brand new manicure in through that, so we'll just live with the bad one here. All right. I'm going to do like she did on hers and do sort of a wispy I want to go longer. Something like that. I didn't do that one right. Something like that. Okay. We're just gonna kind of go for it here. Where's my number 2? There's a number 2. We'll use this one. Something like that. Something in that vein. And those little fronds kind of go most of the way down to here. Something like that. Something like that. And then she's got us putting a little loop in there as well. Kind of an addition. Like this. Something like this. Something light and wispy. How fun is this? Probably shouldn't have put the pencil down because now I can see those little bit of pencil, even though you probably can't see it. I can see it, driving me nuts. So I'm going to erase. Now the question is, do I want to do any kind of embellishment? Any kind of, I don't know, feels like it's just a little plain. I mean, they're beautiful, but I feel like it needs a, highlight, but not a bright highlight. So I'm going to go with this other white pencil. This is the Castle Arts one. It is not as bright. Just a little bit. Like the smallest amount. I want to see this original line, I think. Just the tiniest bit. Just like that. Just the teeniest bit of white. I think that makes it look good. On camera, you guys are seeing this as sort of a blue. It is a definite purple, like purple, like that kind of purple. It's not blue. I don't know why my camera is adjusting the color like that, but it is. Okay, what was the name of this? It was called Zucki. Zucki. This feels like it needs more ink. When did I put ink in it? November 10th. Well, yeah, I guess it could use more ink because it is September. Been almost a year. Guess I should put some ink in there. All right, that is what that one is for today. I will see you guys on the next video. It is already getting blazing hot in here again. It is just, we've just had such a heat wave, and I can't stay out here very long. Zucki. Yeah, I can only stay out here an hour or so. I think it's been longer than that, but since I didn't put my watch on, oh yeah, it's 9:30, and it's already well over 80 in here. I'm done. I'm cooked. I will see you guys on the next video. You guys have a blessed day. I'm going to go in the house and do something cooler. And I will see you guys later. You guys have a really, really great day. And I'll see you later. Bye-bye.